Hello, let's do a tub sort for the short E sound and the short A sound in the middle of words. Do you know what sound short E makes? Let's go over the objects in the short E tab. What is this? It's a net. What sound do you hear in the middle of net? How do you spell the sound in the middle of net? With an E. What is this? It's a bench. What sound do you hear in the middle of bench? How do you spell the sound in the middle of bench? E. What is this? It's a sled. What sound do you hear in the middle of sled? How do you spell the sound in the middle of sled? E. What is this? It's a spider web. What sound do you hear in the middle of spider web? How do you spell the sound in the middle of web? E. What is this? It's an egg. What sound do you hear at the beginning of egg? How do you spell the sound at the beginning of egg? E. What is this? It's a bell. What sound do you hear in the middle of bell? How do you spell the sound in the middle of bell? E. Now let's go over the objects in the short A tab. What sound does short A make? What is this? It's a can. What sound do you hear in the middle of can? How do you spell the sound in the middle of can? A. What is this? It's a jack. What sound do you hear in the middle of jack? How do you spell the sound in the middle of jack? A. What is this? It's a lamb. A lamb is a baby sheep. What sound do you hear in the middle of lamb? How do you spell the sound in the middle of lamb? A. What is this? It's a flag. What sound do you hear in the middle of flag? How do you spell the sound in the middle of flag? A. Do you know what country this flag represents? Think, think, think. It represents the United States of America. I made a text-to-world connection. What is this? It's a bat. What sound do you hear in the middle of the word bat? How do you spell the sound in the middle of bat? A. What is this? It's a crab. What sound do you hear in the middle of the word crab? How do you spell the sound in the middle of crab? A. Now all the objects are mixed up. Can you help me sort them back into the correct tub? Thank you. Which tub does the bell go in? Think, think, think. It goes in the E tub. Which tub does the can go in? Think, think, think. It goes in the short A tub. Which tub does the flag go in? Think, think, think. Flag. It goes in the short A tub. Which tub does the egg go in? Think, think, think. Egg. It goes in the short E tub. Which tub does the lamb go in? Think, think, think. It goes in the short A tub. Which tub does the bench go in? Think, think, think. Bench. It goes in the short E tub. Which tub does the sled go in? Think, think, think. Sled. It goes in the short E tub. Which tub does the jack go in? Think, think, think. Jack. It goes in the short A tub. Which tub does the bat go in? Think, think, think. Bat. It goes in the short A tub. Which tub does the net go in? Think, think, think. Net. It goes in the short E tub. Which tub does the web go in? Think, think, think. Web. It goes in the short E tub. Which tub does the crab go in? Think, think, think. Crab. It goes in the short A tub. Thank you for helping me put everything back in the correct tub. Thanks for watching. Bye.